What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and guys, welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina. I got all kinds of stuff planned for you today. We're making a day of it. As you can see right up there, we're about to check out MPD. Alright guys, so super cool. Huge shout out to the National Parts Depot team, Sean Foster, the manager, general manager here in Charlotte, and of course my buddy Matt, let's say, for giving him a call ahead, letting him know we're coming, because I have not got to see this place, and it is literally freaking massive. I mean, yeah, unreal. And they have literally everything here. This is so freaking cool. These are ACC carpet samples and like just, we could go nuts in here. Little bolt kits, and I mean, they literally have it all here. And that is one of the super cool things about National Parts Depot, is they don't do all the drop shipping. Like, they have everything in stock. It's here, as you can see. And this is one of 4 warehouses they have all over the country. And of course, they don't just do Mustangs, you know, a little bit of everything. Chevelles, old Broncos, old Ford trucks, Novas, Trans Ams, Firebirds. I'm telling y'all, this is crazy. I'm trying to figure out what all this stuff is. These are like door skins, look like for a Chevelle or something. Who knows, but this is super cool. Guys, so I think I might have possibly found some Fox body stuff here. I might have. Yes. Timing chain set. Let's see here. I know there's some Fox body stuff in here somewhere. Yep. Reproduction shift boot. Right there. For all years. Love it. Let's see. Shift knobs. Oh, there's a Tri-X shifter. I already got, that's T5, T45. I already got a shifter though. Yes, we actually found the Fox body parts. We can sniff them out. Let's see what's in this one. I don't know what those are. I can hunt in here all day. Alright guys, so we are out of here. We've got to get up to our next stop for the day. A huge shout out again to the team at National Parts Depot for letting us check out the place. Super cool, and we found the Fox body stuff. Alright guys, so here's the deal. We have made the 30-something mile trip up to Mooresville, and every freaking time I come here, this place is unreal. Like, and this is just like a little city street, and it's 2:58 in the afternoon. Like, it's not rush hour, it's not a Friday. It's crazy. So we are almost to our dream auto, and about to check that place out. Oh yeah, and I need to put DEF in the truck too. I'm not getting DEF right now. It's not gonna happen. Yes, boys and girls, we have arrived at our dream auto. My buddy Manir, who actually built this ridiculous 4i. Good buddy of mine, longtime friend, exceptional at building cars. he handles the business here at this shop. Of course, we got a nice Boss 302, but let's kind of sneak inside here and see if we can see what's going on in here. I honestly didn't know they built pink Bentleys, but it is what it is. All right, guys. So if you're not aware, if you have not seen this place before, it's in Mooresville, North Carolina, NASCAR country. And here's the deal. They build some ridiculous stuff, as you can clearly see. But we got SS 396s. I mean, yeah, GT 500s, Hemi RTs, Biscaynes, everything. But what else they do, and they almost kind of specialize, I would say they do specialize in, is Fox bodies. And they're ridiculous at it. Hold on. New Hemi in a, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm not a Mopar guy, but I guess that's not a road runner. Sorry, I failed at life. Okay, back to the story here. Okay, so you got the 85, got a 8793 car, and I've got to show you some of this stuff, but engines, parts, all that. Let's start right here. This thing, as you can see, this came from another shop. Has like a wide body kit on it. Super cool car. Yeah, looks like 315 squared, I'm not sure. 275 35 18, so squared all the way around. Got the big meats. Looks like this one, from what I was told, came in from another shop out of Colorado, and like they dropped off, here's the engine, trans, all that good stuff. So yeah, just crazy old Corvettes. Like, they do the high-end stuff, but they also specialize in Fox bodies. Why? Because the shop manager, Munir Karim, who is a great friend of mine, is big into Fox bodies, and so we work together to, you know, bring Fox bodies into a shop that does phenomenal work like this one. As you can see, as the bay they did on this one, absolutely beautiful. But this is Munir's truck right here. This is his second project. Sorry about the radio noise, but as you can see, he's not playing around. Gen 1 Coyote with a Whipple, Crown Vic front end. It's got a Mark 8 IRS. This is a 66 M282 trans. Still in the middle of building it, but as you can see, Mark 8 rear end. He's got these massive, like, Roush. I guess those are off an Edge car, but super cool. All right, guys, so moving on, this car right here, and it's kind of ironic that we were at MPD earlier today. They have been working with MPD to fully restore this one owner 1986 Saleen. As you can see, the paint's already done, and it's flipping beautiful. I mean, yeah, like, this thing is beautiful. But they are totally restoring this thing back to original. It will have all the graphics, I mean, everything. The engine and the bay and all that are getting closer to done. As you can see, they've reloomed all the wiring, all the intake, the valve covers, everything have been repainted. It's not completely stock. It's got some headers on it, but I mean, you can see, absolutely unreal job. Everything was stripped, the bay was painted, everything's new, the booster. I mean, this is gonna be insane. I am dying to see this car done. If I'm not mistaken, this car will be at Foxtoberfest completely finished. That's gonna be fun. All right, guys, so moving on, as you can see, like, you know, they're gonna do some old hot rod with a Viper engine in it, and that's gonna be cool. I don't care what you say. All right. And then this car right here, guys, we're going to get into this probably in an upcoming video, but this one's having some rust repair. I know I wanted to talk about this with you guys up north because you deal with that, so I'll catch you later on that one. And then we've got another car over here, road race car, having some cage work done. Yeah, it's going to have a Coyote swap. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. As you can see, a little caged road race car. One thing I noticed, absolutely beautiful OE 95 Cobra R wheels. So it's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, so another reason why I definitely recommend R Dream Auto, not only because my buddy is the shop manager and they do Ridiculous Fox Body Work is because they're also a full fab shop. Like, they basically do all of it. And I'm going to show you one spot that they did. You can see like the brake and all that. I'm going to show you one spot they did on the door skin because they wanted to keep the original door on this Fox. It had some rust along the bottom, and they actually made this panel. And obviously the body's work is still going on, but you can see once this is painted and all of that, and seam sealed and all that, that's going to look phenomenal. And it saved the original door on the car, as opposed to like putting some aftermarket junk on it, or, you know, trying to find another door and maybe it was rusted out too. So super good work. And not only that, maintain the originality of the part, and that's a good thing, especially if you really love your car. All right, gents, and for all your painting needs, this downdraft, yes?
Yep, downdraft.
Obviously, don't know anything about painting, but
yeah, you knew that.
Well, I saw the vents on the floor. It was a lucky guess. But yeah, they got the lights all the way around. You guys do phenomenal work. Like, we've seen some of your work out there. But yeah, anything you need painted, doesn't matter if you're just wanting your engine bay or, you know, spoiler, or you're putting a hood on your car, whatever, or the whole thing, right there. All right, guys, walking outside real quick. You can see I backed in right here, but this is like the storage area, and
soon to be restored.
More soon to be projects here. I love the pace car though. Is this a customer's or?
No, this is the shop's.
Shop car.
We're gonna build it one day.
Is it a 8-cylinder or 2.3?
It was originally a 2.3 car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man, you don't see many of the pace cars.
It's a little rough. It's got some rust. It's been hit. It's got some.
It's like quarter time, huh?
It's got some scary repairs done to it.
Yeah, I see that. Very cool. Yeah, that'll be neat. And then it looks like you got a Viper something or other over there.
Yeah, it's the rear end out of a 04 Viper for a CUDA project we're doing.
Nice. Old Mopar there. I'm gonna get tarred and feathered because I don't know all the terms of the old Mopar stuff, and you know.
Fox body door, Fox body hood.
That's a pricey car right there.
Yeah.
That's a pretty pricey one. I don't know Mopars, but I know that's expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this? That looks like a big block Chevy.
Yep, big block Chevy. It's a chassis for a 54 cab over, you know, the COE trucks?
Yeah,
yeah. Trucks.
That's awesome.
So we were actually doing a 54 cab over. It was out in the back, and we bought it's like a 2012 Duramax.
Oh, neat.
2500 chassis. So we were not going to use this chassis and build the cab over on that new Duramax chassis.
It makes a lot of sense. And then this is the car the engine came out of for your truck.
Yeah.
That looks like it was spun around pretty good.
Yeah, there's not much good left on it.
And then clean little hatch.
Yeah, that one runs and drives.
Nice. Yeah, that'll be a nice V8, Yodi swap, whatever.
Yeah, do something with it.
Very
good,
nice.
clean starting point.
Little Camaro action, and gotta love these. I mean, you gotta keep one around,
yeah,
just because
soft spot for 'em.
You can't find them, and
it's pretty clean. Not much rust on the car. A little quarter.
Yeah, it's solid down there.
Yeah, it's solid. Even under the hood, solid.
Don't you hate it's always got to be the quarter, you know?
Yeah, it's a good reason to put fender flares.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys, and like I said before, the reason this is one of my favorite shops of all time is this is Meniere's car. Dude, this thing, you know, I've been a fan forever, but I mean, it's amazing. Of course, you know, it's a 4i. You've done mass quantities of body work on this thing.
Been a labor of love.
Yes. And then, okay, just for an example, you see this wing, and this is
83.
80, yeah.
On some of the early pace cars as well.
Okay, that's right, yeah. But you can see, like, this was a multi-piece wing, and there was like...
There's a seam here on both sides, and then all the way around.
Right.
And I grafted it into the hatch.
Yep, everything is smooth.
As you can see, it gets driven. It's filthy.
Yeah, that's the best part of it. All one piece. I mean, there's details everywhere.
No gas tank door. It's behind the license plate.
Oh, yeah, dude, I forgot about that.
Cut off switch.
That is freaking awesome. And you got it kind of moved out, so you can't even hardly tell. And then, of course, the body kit.
shave cowl.
Oh, yes. No Calvet. How about that?
No wipers. Got a hurricane coming.
Yeah, you don't need wipers. I don't have
That's
them
what
on
Brain
mine
Dex
either.
is for.
But the best part under the hood.
Under the hood.
Well, maybe not the best part because the interior is pretty badass too. But yes, yes. Oh, dude, still rocking the old.
Yeah.
I've got to give you the new one. I've got the new one. I don't remember the intake.
That's new.
Okay,
Yep.
okay. I was gonna say it's been a minute since I've seen it.
Yeah,
but
so I had some hood clearance issues, so I ended up shaving the front and back and then plating it and welding it and working it so it would fit under the hood, because it's only a 2.5 inch hood and I can't move the K-member down anymore because of all the turbo stuff.
yeah,
So I ended up cutting it and shaping it.
big turbo, big BG. But the firewall all nice and smooth, and it's just, and like even like the hood hinges, so much work has been put under this. And you did flush those in, the headlight buckets.
Yep. Did a tubular front radiator
Tubular
support.
radiator support, just details everywhere. And again, guys, this is the guy that works on everybody else's car. That's why his isn't clean. So, you know, it's just like the painter's house.
Engine bay needs to be redone. A lot of things need to be redone, but
we enjoy our cars.
yeah, I enjoy
right?
driving it.
Right.
I don't feel like ripping it apart for a couple years.
No,
again.
no. You did that last time, and it was just
Yeah.
like, but yeah, there you go. All right, guys, that is pretty much what is up. Two freaking awesome stops right here in Charlotte. Like, this has been an amazing day. It sucked that that Mustang Week had to be cut short, but you know, we definitely made the best of it, and went to NPD, and then of course our buddies here at Our Dream Auto Restoration Museum. There is a link to Our Dream Autos on my website in the Fox Body Shop section. If you seriously are looking for any type of work, definitely give them a call right here in Mooresville, North Carolina. There's the phone number, 844-R-DREAM. Again, they do phenomenal work. The owner's a personal friend of mine and knows Fox Bodies like the back of his hand. And you know, and if you want an older truck built, doesn't matter, whatever you want. Mopars, they do it all. So hit them up if you're serious about a build. 100% recommended. And man, I'm tired. I think I need maybe like some chicken wings, a 32-ounce beer. Okay, I'm getting off track, but yeah, we got to go find our hotel and check in. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch up with you later.